magic of Christmas you'll find everywhere, from the malls to the markets. The light shining bright, KK and Bonds come together under the Christmas light. Come December, Sunday night is begun at St. Augustine Cathedral before the rising sun. 9 days of faith, we gather at dawn to celebrate Christmas where the spirit is strong. Gossamer Park and Debbie's Soaring Plaza shine with Christmas lights wrapped on every tree and vine. The city sparkles with joy, love, and grace. It's the heart of Christmas in every smiling face. It's Christmas in CDO, feel the love and cheer in the city of friendship. It's the best time of year with open arms and hearts. We give and we share the magic of Christmas you'll find everywhere, from the malls to the markets. The light shining bright, KK and Bonds come together under the Christmas light. From house to house, the carolers sing, bringing warmth and joy that the season brings. In every home, in every heart, the love of Christmas never falls apart. It's Christmas in CDO, feel the love and cheer in the city of friendship. It's the best time of year with open arms and hearts. We give and we share the magic of Christmas you'll find everywhere, from the malls to the markets. The light shining bright, KK and Bonds come together under the Christmas light. Come and feel the joy spreading all around in CDO. Christmas is where love is found. From September till December, the spirit stays. Merry Christmas in CDO for always.
Starts at the third month. When September comes, you can feel the joy at once. From Limerick, Isano, SM to Cogods Glow, Christmas decors and lights put on a grand show. The air is filled with joy, the season's in the air. Blinking lights and laughter spreading everywhere. Children start caroling along